Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out. On the application of Hacoo app, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Hacoo app, and you will click in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.